so today we're going to go over the software update instruction for GoPro Hero 7 cameras. So let's go ahead and show you guys real quick. And then this is applied to Hero 7 Black, Silver, and then White Edition. So there are three ways for you to update your firmware or software. First one is with the GoPro app, and then second one you can do it manually. The third one is with the Quick for desktop. So update the GoPro app, download and install the GoPro app. You could download through the App Store or your Google Play Store, and then on your compatible mobile devices. And then you want to make sure your GoPro cameras is fully charged, and then pair up with your camera with the GoPro app. Once pair up, your GoPro app will prompt you that a camera update is available, and then you will just follow the on-screen instruction for the update. And then second part is to manual update. So manual update, we could just click over here to go to the update page, and then choose whichever the Hero 7 camera you have. And then under other way to update, at the base of the page, click update your camera manually. Be sure you have your serial number and then other requested information. Then click on the next step. And after that, you're going to click on update, and then click here to download firmware, and then it will guide you to follow the steps on the screen for detailed instruction for your operating system. Okay, so let's go and then click on that real quick. So it will take you to this page, and over here you're going to choose your camera, either your Black Edition, Silver, or White. Or you can click on Show All. There are some other models that you could manually download the firmware, as a Fusion or Hero 6 Black, Hero 5 Black, Hero 2018, Hero 5 Session, Hero Session, Hero 4, Hero Plus LCD, Hero Plus, Hero 2014, Hero 3 Plus, Hero 3, Hero 2, and then original HD Hero. You could also do the update for your camera drone and then camera grip. So I have the Black Edition. I'm just going to click on here to test out for you guys real quick. So it says new latest release Hero 7 Black update version 1.70 January 23rd 2019. So we're gonna go down there and then click on update your camera manually, which is right here. Click on the arrow, and then it will guide you to the next page. So if you don't know your GoPro serial number, you will need to open the battery door or the cover by sliding out by pushing the button, and then you says over there by removing the battery. Okay, so be sure to power off your camera, remove the battery to see your serial number. And if you cannot find it, if you register your camera, launch the GoPro mobile app, tap setting, account, OS and Android account center. If it's Android only, you gotta go to device, and then your serial number will be listed on the camera model. Or the serial number in your camera preference menu, turn on your GoPro, swipe down, and then tap reference, and then tap about this GoPro. It will show you the serial number. And after that, you're gonna type in your serial number over here, and whatever that you have registered with your camera, put your email here, and then click on you agree to our term and condition, and then you're gonna click on next step, and then follow the instruction. Okay, so the third step is to update with the Quick for desktop. You're gonna download and install Quick for desktop. Ensure that your camera is fully charged again. Launch Quick for desktop on your computer. Connect your camera to your computer using the provided USB charging cable. Quick for desktop will prompt you that a camera update is available. Follow on-screen prompt to perform the update. So we're just gonna click on Quick for desktop. Gonna take you to the next page again. And then here are the system requirement that you could read about it before you download. So you can click on download now, but I'm gonna do a system require real quick. So it is compatible with the Windows system, either 64-bit Windows 10 in desktop mode or 32-bit system, which is not supported, okay? And Intel Core i3 or higher. It says recommended Intel quad-core i7 or better. And a graphic card that supports OpenGL 3.2 or later. Recommended for 4K editing and playback. Intel HD graphic 5000 or better, or similar class graphic card. Recommended video RAM is 512 megabyte of RAM or greater for video playback under 4K. 1 gigabyte of RAM or greater for 4K playback, 1280 by 800, recommended 1920 by 1080. RAM requires 4 gigabyte, hard drive 7200 internal drive. If it's external, use USB 3.0 or eSATA. And here are the Mac requirement. Mac OS 10.10.x or later. Intel Core i5. Recommended Intel quad-core i7 or better. Any graphic cards shipped with the Intel dual-core Mac or better. Recommended for 4K editing and playback. Intel HD graphic 4000 or better. Recommended video RAM is 512 megabyte RAM or greater for video playback under 4K. 1 gigabyte of RAM or greater 4K playback 1280 by 768p. And then 4K of RAM require 5400 RPM internal drive. Recommended 7200 RPM drive or SSD. If it's external, use a Thunderbolt Firewire or USB 3.0. So just click on download now. So it automatically detects that I'm using a MacBook. It's downloading the DMG file right now, okay? So with all the three options, you need to make sure your GoPro is fully charged before you do the updates. Alright, so the file has been finished downloading. Let's go ahead and double click it to open it up. Double click that. So just click on continue. 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 Agree. And then click on install. So if you have a password, you need to enter that in. Alright, and then click on close. You can move the file to trash, whatever that was downloaded. I'm gonna double click GoPro quick to open it up. So there you go. Just click on get started. So you need to enter your email, your first and last name, your password, and then confirm password. Be sure to click on I agree, I acknowledge, and then create an account. Okay. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.